Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a cute computer. Let's start drawing. First, draw the straight lines like this. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to Colorful Cute Kids Channel to support us. Thank you so much. I continue with the computer screen. To make this drawing more lovely, I draw the shapes of hearts like this. Then I draw on the keyboard and touchpad. Next, I draw a computer mouse. Finally, I draw a cute face with lovely eyes and a smiling mouth. Now let's start coloring. First, I use paint to paint the shapes of hearts and the computer's cheeks. I continue to use paint to color the keyboard and touchpad. Light purple for computer mouse. I color the computer screen light blue. Finally, I use gray for this part. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.